Hello, it's Marina here, and I just love today's tutorial. It's very vintage, I could say. So, today we are going to make Easter candles. We cut a paper 13 by 9 centimeters and we stick it in the candle with white liquid glue. Then we cut a paper 13 by 11.5 centimeters and this piece is going to wrap the candle all around. I use core tape to glue the lace only on the two big edges. Now, as you can see, I'm trying to fix the paper just to see the way it's going to wrap my candle. I curl the four edges with the back of a slim brush. First, I put glue on the back. And then all around except of the four curled edges. I use the same lace to give an extra touch. I stick a ribbon bow, a cord bow, and a scrapbook embellishment, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!